Hi, this is Darlene, Avery Lane Shop Girl. I'm a huge book fan. I absolutely love the look of books and shelves, and I love movies where they have rooms filled with books. This is an absolutely exquisite, fully lit bookshelf, and it comes in 4 different pieces. You could probably pull one of them out if it's too big for you and put the other one in another room, but it's a wonderful place to display your books, maybe your trophies from your past accomplishments, or your kids' trophies as well. Here's an antique Asian bookshelf, or actually I saw it in the home of the owners, and it was absolutely filled with about 5 different sets of china, all beautifully color displayed. This is a wonderful piece with lots of functionality. If you don't have ceilings high enough, you can actually remove the middle piece and just do the bottom and the top. But it's a really unique, wonderful statement piece for any room. I love these contemporary bookshelves, great crisscross. They're wonderful for room dividers, or if you just need to create maybe a division in spaces where you might, well, one room is your dining room and another is your living area, but there's not a clear division. This is a great way to do it with these beautiful bookshelves. Put some books on them, some wonderful collections of maybe silver or white ceramic. Keep it all the same color, and it's really a sophisticated look. This is a wonderful antique French cabinet. I think it might be from Belgium or France, but beautiful antique, wonderful detail. I love the handles. It opens up for great storage for books or dishes, or it could even be a beautiful pantry if you don't have a built-in pantry in your kitchen. Come see all of these beautiful bookcases and bookshelves consoles here at Avery Lane in Scottsdale, Arizona.